Shurley method, page 3. This will be from 5th grade, and then also this will be our part 2 recording for that page. So for exercise 2, use sentence 5 to underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. Okay, so where was our backslash? What 2 words did it be? Players and turned, right? Okay, so what was the noun? Okay, so we put players here. What is our label for that? Subject noun. Is players singular or plural? Plural. Common or proper? Common, because it's not capitalized, right? Okay, simple subject. So the simple subject was players, right? And then the simple subject or predicate always starts at the verb. So the verb was turned. Okay. Exercise 3, unscramble this sentence according to the labels below. Baby, today, sadly, cried, unhappy, little. So usually we kind of start at the subject noun. So what would be the noun in there? Baby. What would be the verb? Cried. What would be an adverb that could describe unhappy and what? Today, because it says when, right? Today says when. So which one would go better first, sadly or today? Sadly would go better here. And today would go better here. What also helps us know that sadly is an adverb? It ends in what? Ly. Okay, because a lot of adverbs end in ly, right? Okay, what would be an adjective that could what would be an adjective that could describe baby? Little and unhappy. So which one sounds better? So we know the would go here, right? It's at the beginning, so it would have to be what? Capitalize the. That unhappy little baby, right? Technically, they can be changed around. Exercise. Oh, are we done now with 3? No, because it's a sentence. So if you don't put the period, you're missing a point. Okay, exercise 4. Name the 4 parts of speech that you have studied so far. So, like, what did we use to classify our sentences? We used a noun, what? Verb, an adjective, and an adverb. Okay, exercise 5. Finding one part of speech for each sentence. Write S in above the simple subject and B above the simple predicate. Underline the words of the parts of speech listed in or to the left of each sentence. So basically we're starting the classifying part. We're not doing the whole sentence though, right? And then we still have to identify what they're asking for. So the big red ball bounced rapidly away. So what bounced rapidly away? Ball, subject, noun. What is being said about the ball? Bounce. And what are our verbs? Big and red. So I'm going to underline big and I'm going to underline red. The brook merrily gurgled swiftly along. So what gurgled swiftly along? Brook, subject, noun. What is being said about the brook? Gurgled, verb. And what are our adverbs? Merrily ends in ly, swiftly ends in ly, and then along because it says where, right? Okay, so there's 3 of them. The bluebird flew away. What flew away? Bluebird, subject, noun. What is being said about the bluebird? Verb, right? Okay, and then they want us to underline the noun. So what's the noun? Bluebird. Okay, 8, 9, and 10 will be for homework. Okay, so in 8, you need to underline one thing. Don't forget, article adjectives are still considered an adjective, right? For the verbs one, you're going to underline one thing. And for the adverbs, you're going to underline two things.